Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change password in Windows 11 in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you just need to come over into account section and then here you will get an option called sign in options. If you click on that, then you will get a bunch of options of your passwords. So here you can see you can select the pin code over here, but I will going to select the pin code over here. So if you click on that, and then you'll get an option called change your pin. So if you click on the change your pin, here you just need to give your current pin number, and then here you just need to give the new pin code, and then here you just need to confirm your new pin code, and then after completing this you will just simply click on OK. You will get your pin done over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give my previous pin code and click OK, and you can see it's loading, and now my new pin code is set into my Windows 11. So this is how you can change password and create new password for your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.